Hello, welcome everyone. Today is a short and sweet video on explaining how we can use the e-catalog website made by the HeroMotocorp. So we open our browser, Control V, open. I'll have this website in the description below. You can check this out, and please note continuing website cookies and location data all will be given to the HeroMotocorp. I understand. We have the website. So this is a e-parts catalog created by HeroMotocorp, possibly for business or commercial customers, not for guys like us, because this is not easily available if you search for it. And today is a basic tutorial on how you can use it to find out the price of your parts, or probably if you want to try out some build, something like that, so you can probably use it. So today this will be a short and sweet how-to video on how you can use this eParts catalog website made us available by a kind viewer. His name is Saurav Srivastav, and let's get to it. So before you have parts catalog, fast moving parts, kits, tools, all these various tabs which we don't need right at the moment. You can search your product here if you have the VIN number, or means product means your motorcycle probably, so you can directly input your frame number and it will do the auto select for you. You can even search your part number. You can filter via category, model, and blah blah blah, even by the year. So today we are going to see how this can be useful for us. So my motorcycle is the X-Pulse 200, so we'll find that. Yeah, there it is. X-Pulse 200 2 valve BS6. So this is the updated version. So yeah, let's check that. Okay, so now you get two tabs. One is engine and another one is frame. Under the engine you get all the essential components that you might need or require for your engine overhaul. And underneath the frame you have headlight assemblies, speedo cables, oil coolers. Yeah, that is interesting. We'll come back to that. Front fender, blah 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 blah. Brake, seat assembly, fuel tank, don't need it. Frame, body, battery assembly, and the remaining stuff. So the heart of your motorcycle is in this engine group, and the remaining else is in the frame group. So in the previous video I showed you a picture, a line drawing, so that I picked up from this website. Yeah, there you go. This is what I showed you in the previous video, but today we are going to do something quite exciting to me, not so exciting to you probably. You have heard me time and time again that I want to convert my BS4 X-Pulse into a BS6 oil-cooled X-Pulse. So, because it's necessary, that single cylinder air-cooled engine does not dissipate heat quickly enough if you get stuck in sand or mud. So, it's better to do that. So, we'll find our part. It's the right crankcase cover. That's what we want changed. Click here. Yo, maximize. So, we'll see the image first. There you go. Now you get the detailed view of just the image, means the entire view. You can zoom it up a bit. This is the old one. You must be familiar if you own a BS4 X-Pulse. And this is the new one. BS6 guys, this is for you. This is your playground. Or whatever. So this is the BS6 right side crankcase cover. This is the BS4 right side crankcase cover. And I told you already, the bolt pattern seems the same, and that's why they didn't even bother differentiating the different bolts that are used here. Everything is same here. And so the BS6 crankcase cover has the important thing that I want: the oil filter. Sorry, the oil inlet and outlet for the oil cooler. So now we need the details and the price of the parts. So we'll go parts view list. Nah, that's just boring. We'll go here. So we'll select the part 1, which is this, and it highlights us. So you get the part number, you get the description of it, and minimum order quantity 1, MRP 2200. So you get the price of the right side crankcase cover. So if you your dealer thinks he's smart and pull off some tricks, you can now fact check him. And another thing that makes me realize another detail that gives it away as a dealer's or a commercial website is, you see the minimum order quantity gasket cover. You see 2 gasket cover 20. You have to order 20 just to get it. So this clearly indicates that this is not for measly consumers but for commercial business owners. So while we are here, we'll check out the price for the crankcase cover, that is 2200. You need a gasket along the way. You can find it in a local shop. I told you earlier, if you don't find the 200cc X-Pulse gasket, you can use 160 Hero gasket. It's the same. Okay, so we need gasket. That costs us 75, so 2275 we have to spend if you want to get these two. That's it. And the rest of the parts should be replaceable. Basically, that's my theory. Now we have the right side crankcase cover. We need the oil cooler. Let's get back to that. Close this, and where is in our frame? Go to page 1. Here it is. Yeah, so in the frame section we have number 3, F-1B oil cooler. So we'll click on that. Yo, the gold. So this is the thing that we really want. Let's view the image. So for the necessary conversion from BS4 to oil cooled BS6, means just the oil cooled, we're not converting the catalytic converter and all that. We need the right side crankcase cover for that, and this entire stuff. And I'm pretty happy to find out that you can actually get quite a lot of details here. So yeah, let's view image with the part list, and we have all the details here. Okay, how many o-rings you need, how many bolt flange M6 by 16 millimeters, how many bolts you need that of, how many bolts of I don't know, the oil cooler assembly, oil hose A, oil hose B. In the image it is just showing that this is this short, and in actuality I don't think this is just this short. It's just made so that for the convenience of the user. I don't know. So this is the one. So you have rubber pads, you have another M6 by 25 bolts, you have collar, braid, mount, then you have set nuts. So you have the required quantities that you might need for an entire oil cooler assembly, and then you have the prices of the respective components. So you multiply that and add the total, and then combine it with the 2275. Then you get the total cost of how much you have to spend just to convert your X-Pulse into an oil cooled one. I think it should be in the ballpark of 5500 something. If you have that much, if you have that, you convert your X-Pulse into the oil cooled one. And I urge all of you, means if you are just riding in the city where not a means you're not supposed to get stuck, there is pavement, slight dirt roads, so it's not much of an issue for you. But if you are going to take this where it belongs, that is the off-road areas, multiple times you will get stuck, like in sand or loose gravel, or probably in mud or slush. So I urge you, everyone who owns a BS4 one, please, 5500 is quite less compared to an entire engine rework if anything bad happens. And believe me, I have heard the sound that the X-Pulse makes when it gets stuck in sand. It is not a fun place. So, and another thing that I want to show you, because I have found out this accessory section. Click here, and you have all the grip cover fluid set for all the commuter bikes, but somewhere here you get, yo, see this, kit complete Expulse Rally. This is the rally kit, 41,000. You get the rally kit for the Expulse. And not only that, you can buy this entirely with the tires and all, but if you don't want to, you can buy individual components. Look at this, rally, probably in the 4th page. And yeah, you see, tire kit, Expulse Rally, bar side stand Expulse Rally, front fork Expulse Rally. So you can buy the suspension components separately, the tire separately, the handlebars and all that, even the seat, or you can buy them all at once. So this is a quite a useful website for all of us, and downloads, nothing interesting is there except the user manual, and we all have user manual. I hope that it contains workshop manual, which would be quite a gem to find in this website, but I'm working on that. Let's hope we find a workshop manual from an Expulse mechanic working in Hero. If someone is kind enough to give it to me, I will give it away to the rest of you. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you like it, please hit like. If you think it is sucked, hit dislike. And if you want to hang on, and if you want to stay tuned to what I come up with and what kind of modifications I make with the Expulse, then please consider subscribing, and have a good day.